YouTube. I forgot to vlog this morning because I was going hiking with this chick. This is Jenny.
Hello.
She's my best friend. We're at Great Falls.
Yep.
Okay, I got it right this time. I keep saying river, but it's partially behind us. We're pretty far down the river now since I forgot to, vlog because I was taking way too many pictures. That's the problem when you set me with a camera in a place full of just nature. Like, it's all nature. That's it. And she decided to set me loose with the camera in nature. Well, I picked it, but she drove. So technically it's her fault. Okay? So we're going to continue down the trail in a few minutes after this chick finishes her pudding. So, oh, this is the first YouTube video you're going to be in of mine.
Yeah. I know.
Do you mind if your face is on YouTube?
Girl, I had to put my face on YouTube for school.
True fact, okay. Oh yeah, the video you had to do.
Uh-huh.
Well, okay, once we start walking again, if I don't take a billion pictures, I'll try to remember to do little shotsy scenes, but we'll find out. Okay, so we're actually on the trail past rocky parts, and there's like Jenny again.
Hello.
And there's people with dogs somewhere behind us. So they're going on this trail. I don't know how with dogs, but
Dogs are more sure-footed than humans are, Missy.
that's true. I'm more likely to fall than that. But there's like a ton of rocks. I should have shown you back there, but there were like a bunch of them we had to just like go over. While I almost trip over these. But this is a really long trail in Great Falls. And I don't know. But if you ever come to Virginia, go here. I totally 10 out of 10 would recommend. Just don't do some of the things we did. Oh, while you step on my foot, Jenny. So, we're walking the trail back, and we just found a snake. It's not dangerous or anything. That's why we're near it, not that close. But it's climbing this log right now, and it looks really cool. Hold on.
It's probably like 6 feet long.
Yeah, like 6 feet long. Let's see if I can get you to see it. It's climbing the tree right now.
Yeah, I think the snake's at least 6 feet long.
Yeah, definitely. Look at that. That's crazy.
Hi, snake.
Hello, snake. Look at that. Holy cow. Thing's long.
Thanks for watching this video. Sorry I didn't do a proper outro for it, but I'm doing it now. I hope you enjoyed my vlog from Great Falls, Virginia. It was really fun. I had a great time. It's really beautiful there. I got so many pictures. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.